Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I am doing my Ipsy, well, it's actually called BoxyCharm now, my BoxyCharm unboxing for January. I haven't had a box in quite a few months. I have actually missed it. It's been really interesting I miss getting new things to try. So let's get into it. Oh, first thing in the box. And again, I get the medium-sized box. Well, maybe it's the large. I don't know. There's the sample one, and then there's the 5 full-size products. I get the 5 full-size products. Not wasting time with samples. Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color. Ooh, I have wanted one of these for a long time. This is Rose Thorn. Laura Mercier. Should have brought the scissors. Her caviar sticks are supposed to be so good. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Ooh, what a nice color. If it'll focus. I'm not used to using this. Again, this is only my second time filming with this tablet, so bear with me. What is this? Ren Clean Skincare Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream. Oh, nice. And this, brighten the complexion, magnesium to nourish, Terrapod extract to help even skin tone. Please recycle, and it's vegan. Clean to skin, clean to planet. I love it. Love it. Yes, I can't wait to try that. I've got another vitamin C. Oh, it's a vitamin C face wash. I like it. I like it. Okay, next. Instant Crush Lip Gloss, half caked. That's cute packaging. Now, I'm using the front-facing camera. I don't know if it's going to flip it or not, so bear with me. We're learning. If it doesn't flip it, it doesn't flip it. I'm still going to use the front-facing camera, just FYI. And I don't edit. I don't babe tested, vegan approved. Aww. Is it going to focus? I don't know how this front camera works. So, 1 second. I'm at the dining room table, or the kitchen dining table, and I have my painting here because I'm doing paint with numbers. Completely off subject, but I'm using a paintbrush because I can't get in this box. Why? Why is it so tight? Hold on a second. This is too tight. Okay, there we go. Like, what if I wanted to gift this to somebody? I've jacked up the box now. Oh, it's a twofer. Okay, interesting. Ooh, okay. So where do I find the color? Cruelty-free and vegan, instant. Okay, I don't know what the colors are, but they're very cute. It's a pink and a clear. I'm guessing this is clear. Instant Crush. This one is Crystal Baller. That's cute. And this one is Mesmerize. And it's like a pale pink. Cute packaging. Twofer, full size. I like it. We'll try those in a second. I can't believe I just closed that box. Don't ask questions. Don't do it. Okay, I have 2 more things. This one looks familiar. Oh, I don't have this one yet. Okay. This one, Clear Brow Gel by Wing Me. Keep your brows in place with the Wing Me Clear Brow Gel. Okay, I don't really have brows, but once I get these tamed, I might gift this to someone who actually has eyebrows that they work on, because I clearly don't work on mine. And I know exactly who to give it to. Ooh, cute. It's like a matte. Oh, I like that. Wing Me. And it has a little baby brush. That's cute. I'll be giving that away. Because it would be wasted on my hair, on my brow hair. It really would. Put that to the side. And this is Gold Faden MD Solution Doctor Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. Nice. Doctor's Scrub is what it's called. Okay. Sealed for safety. Let's see. Yes. Okay, perfect. Okay, this was a good box. Welcome back to Ipsy. Thank you. This was a good box. Oh, I forgot to open the Ren. Okay, hold on. I didn't open this. I just realized the one thing I didn't open. And this is why, because, okay, here we go. Oh, it's a pump. Perfect. Love a pump. This is the vitamin C serum, which I can use after my face wash. It's got a nice full amount here. So this box is definitely worth the, I think, $25 or $30, because I'm sure this is probably like $30 all by itself. This is 1.7 fluid ounce, almost 2 ounces. Wow. I feel like I really got my money's worth. Okay, so this is almost 2 ounces, 1.7. This is a 3 ounce tube. This is a full size caviar stick, full size 2 lip glosses, and a full size brow gel. This is 0.2, a quarter of an ounce. So yeah, that is a great box. I really like it. If you have not subscribed, this is not a sponsored video. If you have not subscribed to BoxyCharm, Ipsy, aka BoxyCharm, aka Ipsy, I don't know. Try it. Give it a try. Start with the samples. I wouldn't start with the samples personally, unless you really like samples. I need to try things a little bit longer than what a sample gives me. So I got the big one. And then they give you a little information card, pamphlet, newsletter, whatever. Okay, let's see. This is so September I need to get my stuff together, because this shipped before I even realized it. I was like, oh, okay, got it. Now usually they used to put in here the products and what they cost, so you could know you got your money's worth. Okay, I do see the Ren. Okay, the Ren Clean blah blah is $54. Oh well, I've made my money right there. I've made my money right there. Okay, so these are the power picks that they put in here, which I didn't get any of those products except the Ren. Am I pointing? Oh, look at that. I pointed to it right. Except the Ren. But that makes it the whole box worth it, because I think I paid $29. I think maybe it's $30 now. I don't know. It's not very much. Maybe it's $32. I don't remember. But anyways, the point is, I got my money's worth. I've already made money. So thank you so much for watching. This has been a really quick unboxing. I look forward to my next Ipsy box. I might be trying a new subscription box. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes in the future. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I don't have anything else. I miss seeing you guys. Well, I don't really see you, but you know what I mean. I've missed being on here. Let me put it that way. I've missed being on here. And now we're almost at 9 minutes. I've talked about nothing. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday season and spent time with your families, because that's what's most important. And make sure you take time for yourself. Make sure you schedule committed time for yourself this year in 2024. Peace.